as we have studied the chemical release are these things. Now the thing is that how do its treatment can occur, because allergic response sometimes just make the person to suffer a lot. So in order to just reduce that, what happened, treatment can occur, but before knowing the treatment, doctor should know what are the things which are causing allergy to that person. So in order to detect which things are causing allergy to that person, what do? They first of all expose the person. First of all, they just ask from the person, where has this allergy developed in your body. So the patient will say, when I was going to the road, when I was just standing under the tree, when I was going to the garden area, when I was just playing with the animal. So they will trace out, yeah, he or she could be having allergy either from the pollen grain if it is in garden area, either from the dust if it is in open area, smoke if it is populated and that area where vehicles are running, and also if what I said, yeah, from animals, if that person was in vicinity of the animal. So first of all, they will expose and they will try to know what is allergen to that particular person. As they have know about the allergen, now what will happen, just let us see, they will give the drugs. What are the name of these drugs? Antihistamine. Histamine is the chemical secreted antihistamine, जो उसके effect को nullify कर दें. Then adrenaline will be secreted, and what is the next one? Adrenaline will be given to the patient, and steroids will be given to the patient in order to cure allergic response. Next is that what is the reason that nowadays most of the kids or most of the people are suffering from allergy? Because if you just ask from your grandparents, or if you have that any other person who is just older than them also, so they will say that at our time we do not used to have medicines, we do not used to fall sick. Even in my case, I have just asked from my parents, they have said कि at your age we never used to fall sick. What was the reason why they never used to fall sick? I just inquired from that. They said that we used to have everything which is given to them as a meal. जो भी मिलता, they were not having certain choices कि we will have that market food, pizza, burger or anything. No, they used to have that particular diet, Indian diet, which should be taken by us, like whole meal, that dal, chawal, sabji, roti as a lunch, and in breakfast they just take protein diet including milk and any of the preparation which is just having protein and other nutrients. It's there, as if they have proper dinner. They generally do not used to skip the meal, and apart from that they also used to just get exposure of the nature also, and apart from exposure to the nature they used to do a lot of hard work. Like we used to sit since starting to the evening, since start of the morning to the evening, throughout the day we used to sit and we just watch the television, we just admire, we just do the daydreaming, but they used to do hard work or the labor. So that means the one of the reason for allergy is the change in the lifestyle. We have this protected environment. That means if there is a certain, we do not go to the exposure to the different environments, we get protected in a particular region. That's why our body is not getting the ability to fight against the disease. One thing is there, because we human beings, we living organism are surviving since so many years. One thing is there, our body has acquired that much of power that it can fight with most of the pathogen. I'm not saying all the pathogen, but most of the pathogens it can fight with, but only in which conditions, in the conditions in which you are going to make your immunity strong. First of all, just observe your immunity, and then accordingly try to make your immunity stronger from your diet, exercise, mental vision also matters. That means you should be mentally healthy also. These things are there, and other things also you can just search out with the things which can enhance our immunity. But basic thing is diet, exercise, the people who surround you, all these things. So that is the cause, change in the lifestyle, and one protected environment is given to the child, which is resulting in the poor immunity of that particular person. Like you all have heard certain people say कि we do not used to stand, we have so many servants, they just serve us food, हम तो उठते ही नहीं हैं अपनी chair से, नहीं उठते. Which thing is going to cause poor immunity, and due to poor immunity, so many things are there to welcome. Now After that, the next heading which is given in our book, that is autoimmunity. Autoimmunity. देखो अभी तक immunity पढ़ा, that means immunity which is causing damage to the foreign antigens, foreign particles entering in our body, and our body is trying to defend that. But here what is happening? Autoimmunity means the immune cells will damage its own body structures due to certain genetic reason, due to certain unknown reason. Certain reasons in bio are also not known. Here it could be genetic reason or unknown reason. What happens? Immune cells of the body start damaging their own body cells, resulting in the failure of the functioning of that particular organ. In turn, the person suffers from that disease. One of the autoimmune disease is that the hypothyroidism. Not all the cases of hypothyroidism, but in some of the cases, what happens? It is autoimmune disease, basically in women. That's why women suffer more from the disease as compared to men. It was there in that internet. It was given. You can search for that. So autoimmunity is there, in which body is going to damage cells. Body's immunity is going to damage cells. One example I have given you, that hypothyroidism. Apart from that, rheumatoid arthritis is also there. I am just leaving the board for 1 minute so that all of you can just observe the things which are written on the board. Then we will just proceed with the next content. I hope all of you must have just noted down the key points and you have just seen the gist of this particular topic.